Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to see your social security number on Cash App. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Cash App, come to the top right, and click on your profile icon. And from here, I just want you to go ahead and scroll down until you reach account settings and then click on security and privacy. And from here, what I need you to do is just go ahead and scroll down until you see identity verification. Okay, now for this one, it's not yet verified. All you need to do is hit verify and provide your details, right? But if you have already verified it, it would show it up here as verified. Instead of verify, it will show that it is verified. And to actually see your full social security number, it is not possible directly on Cash App. But what you can do though is confirm that your identity has been verified using your social security number and other required information. So if you see here it says verified instead of verified, then you're okay, you're good to go. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.